So welcome back to my YouTube channel named as Krish Cat Design. I am Krishna Vishukarma. So welcome to my channel. Quickly at last I start my video. So in today's video I am going to tell you all the shortcut commands of AutoCAD. I am going to tell you more than 60 commands in this. So let's start. I have version 2017 of AutoCAD. It takes a lot of time for opening in my computer. So I have already opened it. First we start from a line command and its shortcut key is L enter. As you can see here, line. First we need to click the first point like this and give the dimension in any direction. In this direction or in this direction. Like I will give 50 mm. 50. Line command is very much used in making any drawing. So move on our next command, which is a polyline, and its shortcut key is a PL enter. A polyline is an object in AutoCAD that consists of one or more line or arc segment, as will be seen. Like make a line. It is a one object that can be modified or worked with easier than the four separate lines. Example, as I can show you in this video, like this. Here, it selects the whole rectangle. If we can create the line from line or rectangle, select the one line of this rectangle. So only one line will be selected. In the case of polyline, if we select the one line of this rectangle, it will be selected all the lines of the rectangle. The only difference is that it is the one object instead of many. So our third command is a rectangle. The shortcut key to this command is REC enter. REC and enter. So it's asked to select the first corner point. Select the first corner point and then give it to second corner or give the dimension as you want in the form of length into breadth. Here example, like I'll give the dimension 50 into 100. Here is our rectangle. So let us go on our next command, which is a circle, and its shortcut key is C enter. First we need to click the center point of circle. Thereafter we need to give the dimension in radius or diameter. To give the dimension in the diameter we have to enter the D, enter. There is D, enter, and give the dimension in diameter. If we want to give the dimension in the radius, so we need to put the R, enter. Sorry, there is a mistake. We need to, it is predefined in radius. So let's move on to our next command, which name is ellipse, and its shortcut key is EL, enter. And same here, asks it asks to us select the end point of the ellipse. So here we can select the end point and other point. Here you can give the distance, as you can see here, and make an ellipse. The ellipse command provides simple way to draw an ellipse. First you specify the two endpoints on one of its axis and then specify the endpoint on the other axis, as you can see here. So move on our next command, which is hatch command. This is hatch command and its shortcut key is H, enter. So we need to create a rectangle here or circle. Before applying the hatch command, then enter H, enter. If we take the cursor in the internal part of the circle, then it will be hatch. The hatch command in AutoCAD is used to fill in an area or selected object with a hatch pattern or fill. There are different types of hatch pattern, as you can see here. So let's move on our next command. So let's move on our next command, which is a region. Region are 2D area that you create from closed planar loops of objects. Each closed loop is converted into the separate region. I can show you how we can use this command. First we need to create a closed loop drawing. So here is the closed loop example. Then we use this command on this drawing. REG region. Before applying this command on this drawing, if we can select a line, or the one of the line will be selected, not all drawings. Like this. I need to create again closed loop drawing to explain you. Like this, I will create a closed loop drawing and then apply the region. Select it and click enter. As you can see here, if I select the one line of the rectangle, you selected all the lines of the rectangle after applying this command. So our next command is text formatting. Okay. So text formatting and its shortcut is T enter. It's us. In this, we can insert the text in the drawing area. We can also control the text type. As you can see here, now we can go to our. I can explain you before going to our next one. Here you can select the area of the text and type as you want. Like your name, like my name. Krishnn. That's it. Here is a tab by this option you can edit the text. Now we can go to our next one, which is the offset. It is a very useful command in AutoCAD. First we need to take a line the shortcut key of the offset command is O enter. By this command we can offset an object at a specified distance or through a point. After you can offset object, you can trim and extend them as an efficient method to create drawings containing many parallel lines and curves. Here is an example of offset. First we need to draw a line and then use this command. So it asks us for distance. So we need to give 10 mm distance and click on the line. As you want to left or right at the 10 mm distance. So it will be offset to the 10 mm. So move on to our next one. So our next command is a zoom and its shortcut key is Z enter. Z. You can use the spacebar key at the place of the enter key. Zoom to display all the visible objects and visual aids and adjust magnification of the drawing area to accommodate and the extent of all visible objects in the drawing. So move on to our next command, which is a move command, and its shortcut key is M enter. So we need to take a line here, then apply the move command. So its shortcut key is M enter. Select the object, select the endpoint, and move anywhere you want. Move anywhere on the screen. The move command in AutoCAD is used to move the object at the specified distance and direction. So now our next command is copy, and its shortcut key is CO enter. Again here we need to take a line and apply the copy command. So its shortcut key is CO enter, and click the object, then press the enter button, and it's asked to how much and where you want to move it. So I click here to here, 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 here. As you can see here, its definition is the copy command works almost identical to move the command success in AutoCAD 2014. Leave the selected object in the place and make new copies of them in the new location. The copy command creates the multiple copies of default by default. If you want to more videos like this, so please like and subscribe our channel. While liking the video and subscribing my channel motivates us to make more videos. So don't waste your time. Subscribe my channel. So now we can go to our next command, which is trim. Here again we need to take a line, but we need to take two lines which intersects each other, and then apply the trim, and its shortcut is TR enter, TR double enter if we want to apply the trim command. Like this we can trim the intersected part of the lens. This command is very useful in AutoCAD. Trim projects the cutting the edges and objects to be trimmed onto the XY plane of the current user coordinate system. You need to do double click or double enter on the trim command before using it. So now we can move on our next command, which is break at the point. And its shortcut key is DR enter. You can create gap between the two specified points on the object, breaking into two objects. Like this, it can break two parts of break into the two parts. So that is for today. We will tell you the rest of the commands in the next video. The video should not to be long, so we have finished today. To know the rest of the commands, subscribe our channel, like our videos. Thanks for watching.